chicken roast dumpling. Itong ating mga ingredient, 1/2 kilo of ground chicken, 1/2 teaspoon ng salt, and then lalagyan natin siya ng garlic at saka itong onion. Haluin lang natin. Din natin siya ng soy sauce at saka 1 tablespoon of sugar. Haluin ulit. And then we will add the oyster sauce. After this, pwede natin lagyan ng egg and then we'll mix together. Lalagyan din natin siya ng carrots din siya at parsley. Yung konti lang, depende lang sa kung gaano gusto nyo kadami. After natin mahalo sila, we can put 2 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/2 teaspoon ng black brown pepper. And then gagawa naman tayo ng dough with 2 cups of flour, 90 ml of water, salt, and 1 egg. Hahalu-haluin lang natin to form a dough. After this, tatakpan muna natin siya for half an hour. And ito yung chicken. After half an hour, ito na, mag-i-start na tayong gumawa ng wrapper. Hatiin natin siya. And then divide natin yung dough. Depende kung gaano nyo kagusto at pwedeng 10 or 8 kung gaano kadami nyo gusto. But usually, it can only make 10 of this. After this, i-flat-flatten natin ang dough. And then we have this pattern. Actually, tatlong sizes siya. Ang ginamit ko yung small, medium, and large. Nakita nyo may 7 cm, 8 at 9 cm. And then, ang gagawin natin, we will put a little of flour para hindi siya maging sticky. Both sides, para yung petals is hindi mag-stick together. Yung chicken fillings, sisecure natin siya by pressing all sides using our fingers. Yun lang. And then, slowly, i-roll na natin siya till it forms nga into a rose. And then, you can open the petals. Yun na yung rason, kaya dapat meron talaga siyang flower on both sides. After that, makagawa na tayo. Usually, magkakagawa dito ng mga 14 or 16 kakayanin. Yan. And then, pwede na natin siyang i-steam. Make sure na lalagyan natin ng oil yung steamer para hindi mag-stick yung dumpling dun sa steamer. Bago natin ilagay sa steamer, we'll make sure na talagang kumukulo na siya. And then we will leave it for half an hour or kapag luto na talaga siya. Ito na siya. Ito na, ready to serve na. Thank you for watching.